Frozen. What the heck? Oh, wow, wow. Oh. Look at this snow, ice. Look at Canada. Dude, Tigo. Okay, the piles of snow are still crumpling up. Huge. Crazy. Can you imagine? Only yesterday, in one day, there were around 147 road accidents here in Edmonton. Just in one day. That's a huge number. Of course, you can see the situation here. Still snowing, and they said that it will continue snowing until tonight. Never know. Crazy. Look at this pile of snow. Look at the snow, guys. Now it's almost 6 o'clock in the evening and it's still snowing. Look around, all the roads full of ice. There's no way that the road can be clean, because if you clean now, again snowfall is going on, so there's no point of cleaning the road, right? You can see all around snow, full of snow everywhere. Guys, you can see here all the snow all everywhere. Roads are full of snow. Look at here, guys. See, look at here. So snow is crazy. How thick. You can see how thick. It was all empty. Nothing was here. The grass. And now you see all the snow. Crazy. Up to 2 feet high snow here. It's crazy. Yeah, up to 30 centimeters of snow. Crazy. This crazy. Wow. Look at here the way. Look at here to see how you would think. And it's still snowing. It's still snowing. They said up until tonight it will snow. You have to apply a